Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to go from this to this. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So starting off, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, obviously. This time I'm going to do them on camera for no reason whatsoever. I just want to do them on camera this time. But that's probably a bad idea because first of all, I talk so much, so this is going to take forever. Second of all, because they're going to come out bad, I just already know. So let me just do this real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, I prime my lids. Oh, and I did my eyebrows off camera. And just to let you guys know, I know my bed is so messy. I didn't want to clean it. I'm so sorry. Not really though, because you should guys be focused on me, not on the bed, right? But anyways, yeah. So I don't know what kind of look I want to do. Like, I don't know. But I want to do like a little simple, settle, baddie look or whatever. Without eyeliner though, because I don't feel like doing eyeliner today. So I'm just going to be using this little color from the Anastasia palette. I'm not showing my palette because it's so ugly, but this color right here, like my palette, it's so embarrassing. Like, oh goodness, I've had it since like it came out, so like it's messy. It's messy. So I did this video. What is it called? I think it's called Baddie Instagram or some shit like that. I did it. And I got so many views on that video. I was like, oh my god, like I didn't know that video was gonna get like that many views. Like, I mean, it's not like, damn, 1 million views, but it's like, I think I got like 2K or 2,000 something. That's a lot of views for me. Like, I feel I will never talk to 2,000 people in public. Like, by thinking about it, I get anxiety. Like, that's a lot of people, bro. So like, thank you guys so much for those views. Like, that shit really hit my heart. But it's so crazy because when I did that video, a bitch was sad. Like, I was sad as fuck. I was like going through it and I was like in my bed all sad and shit. And then like, I was like, bitch, just do a video. Like, might as well like do something, right? And then like in one day, I did the video, I curled my hair, and I edited the video. Like, bitch, when I'm sad, I get motivated. Like, I'm like, bitch, stop being sad. Do some shit. Like, really? Like, doing your makeup when you're fucking sad, it's fucking therapy. It doesn't fix anything. Like, you're still fucking sad as fuck, but you're fucking looking all glam and shit. Like, bitch, you're like a bad, sad-ass bitch. Exactly what I am. I'm a sad, bad bitch. I kind of want to put some shimmery, bronzy on my, ooh, I'm gonna use this one. I haven't used this one. Let me swatch it. Oh, never mind. That's way too dark. Oh, that one's nice. I'm gonna use that color right there. Like, I want a bronzy, kind of natural look. Just gonna pat that. Just to have like a little shimmer on my lid. Oh, this color is nice. Why didn't I not use this color earlier? That looks nice as fuck. And then for my brow bone, I'm going to be using this color right here from the James Charles palette. I feel like this color is low-key like greenish. Like, I don't know. I don't know if it's just me. Wow. Okay, that's pigmented as fuck. Damn. That's way too pigmented. But you know what? If you feel sad, just stop. Just stop. That's what my friends tell me. They be like, you're sad? Just stop. Like, what do you mean stop? What do you mean? How do you stop that? How do you stop being sad? Maybe you just stop. Maybe it's actually not that hard to stop. Maybe it is. I don't know. I'm in love with this shadow. Like, that shadow is nice as fuck. Like, it looks natural, but still pretty as fuck. Okay, I'm gonna go in slow this time because we saw that you're pigmented, so. Oh god. That's really pigmented though. Like I did not know it was that pigmented. Oh, my face smells like baby wipes. So if I know you guys can't tell, but I dyed my hair. And you guys want to know why I dyed my hair? I was actually having a mental breakdown that day. And I was like, I need a change. So I was like, let me just dye my hair brown. And I did it. Like I did it. And on the ends, it still looks dark, which I'm low-key grateful for. Because I feel like if all my hair would have been brown, I would have hated it. By the way, I used a different foundation the other time on my other video, on the Bratz makeup video. I used a different foundation. I think it was called, I don't know what it was called, but it was from Maybelline. I think it was Dream Liquid or some shit like that. I do not like that foundation. That foundation makes me look greasy. This is the foundation I used the other time. It's called Dream Satin Liquid. So apparently you're not supposed to cuss that much on your videos, because if you do, YouTube takes them down, which that kind of sucks. Why does my face look so disgusting? Which that sucks that, you know, it takes them down, because I cuss a lot. Like, I don't know. I just do. Like, it just comes out naturally. Like, I don't even mean to do it. I don't want my videos to get taken down, but like, I've realized that I do cuss a lot. So like, sometimes I just rather do voiceovers, because like voiceovers I don't have time to cuss, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't have the time to cuss or like say some shit. Sometimes I don't even realize it. I just be going on with the video, talking and shit. Like that, and then it just comes out. Like, I don't understand how. It just does. So I'm just gonna be adding this concealer like all under my eye, because I want to look like, I want to have like a bright under eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the eyes. I'm gonna put on a little bit of white eyeliner because I want my eyes to pop. Oh my god, I feel like my eye is gonna cry. Dude, that looks bomb. Like, that really opened my eyes. My eyes are so open right now. Okay, not that open, but like somehow open. Okay, I'm just gonna be using the Fit Me setting powder to set the rest of my face. Lately, my face has been getting so oily, so I'm gonna put like a little bit of extra powder. You know, I've had this brush for like so long. I know. Maybe since like, I don't fucking know. Maybe since I started makeup. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, probably, I don't even know. I remember when I was like in 10th grade or 9th grade. No, actually I was like in 7th grade. Me and my best friend would look at makeup tutorials, and we will see when people, you know, when like the trend was to have cream contour on you all over your face, and it was like tutorials of like cream contouring your face, and blush was the cream brush and cream highlight. And me and my best friend would be like, we will never do that. We will never look like a Duvalin. What did we say? Look at us now. Look at us now. Being the Duvalin. A little bit too much, if you ask me. Hold on, I'm gonna try to fix that shit. There you go. That looks like Duvalin, huh? You guys see the pink, the brown, and then the yellow. And then for highlight, I'm actually going to be using this brush right here. My friend's cousin gave it to me, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. I'm going to try to put highlight with it, but oh shit. I don't know how it's going to work. Let's see. So I'm just going to put the product. Ooh, Okay, it isn't like, I don't know, like, she said it was like too big for highlight, but like, I don't know. I wouldn't mind using it because I want to be extra, like, just extra. Just gonna go ahead and do my lips. This smells good. It smells like chocolates. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys like this very basic look. And now we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.